Reprogramming your key fob, a simple DIY guide.
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we'll be learning about reprogramming a key fob after a battery replacement. If your car remote isn't working as it should after changing the battery, you might need to reprogram it. Don't worry, with the right tools and steps, it's something you can do on your own.
What tools do you need?
Before we dive into the actual process, let's discuss the tools you'll need. Essentially, there's only one tool that you're likely to need. 1. Your vehicle's manual. You might be surprised to hear this, but your vehicle's manual is the most important tool for this process. It usually contains specific instructions on how to reprogram the key fob for your particular model. Since procedures can vary significantly from one vehicle to another, your manual is your best guide.
What's the general process?
Even though the specifics might vary, there's a general procedure that applies to many vehicles. It usually involves the following steps. 1. Get in the car. First, get into your vehicle with your key fob and the ignition key. 2. Insert the key. Insert your car key into the ignition. 3. Turn the key. Then, you'll need to turn the key to the on position, but without starting the car. 4. Press the fob button. Next, press the lock or unlock button on your key fob. 5. Turn off the ignition. After that, turn the ignition off. 6. Repeat. Repeat the process a specific number of times, usually 3 to 6 times. The number of repetitions and the exact sequence of steps can vary, so refer to your vehicle's manual for specifics. 7. Exit the car. Finally, remove the key from the ignition and get out of the car. Your key fob should now be reprogrammed.
What if you can't reprogram it yourself?
There might be times when you can't reprogram your key fob yourself, perhaps because your particular vehicle has a more complex procedure, or you've tried and it just doesn't seem to work. In such cases, your best bet is to consult a professional. This might be a locksmith who specializes in cars or your dealership. And that wraps up our guide on how to reprogram a key fob after a battery replacement. Remember, your vehicle's manual is your best friend in this process, so make sure to consult it. If you still can't reprogram your key fob, don't hesitate to seek professional help. We hope this video has been helpful. Drive safely.